Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 15th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the 4-hour time frame, I mean, the pound dollar is definitely still up. I mean, the trend is for sure up. I still think there's a chance that this first ABC down is like the first three-way pattern, and then this is like an ABC for a second three-way pattern. But even if that is true, I would expect it to at least go up to the 78%. Then if it breaks to the downside at the 78%, then we should either get a big five waves down for like a 335 pattern, or we should get a big three waves down for like a WXY. But all that's fine because on the shorter time phase, we really shouldn't be doing anything but looking for longs in an uptrend. I mean, obviously, I wouldn't be trying to go long at the top of a big strong candle like this, but I definitely would be trying to go long on all these little pullbacks on shorter time phase, especially hopefully for the continuation of the uptrend. Now, just keep in mind that the very, very high time phase are in an uptrend. So even though I just showed you that, possibility of a bounce at the 78%, this thing could just keep on trending up, especially if you saw my full top-down analysis. You know that, this potentially over the next months to a year could get all the way up to about 1.5. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.